Stillness deep, the patterns rise. Three currents shaping form and mind. Light that clears and softly guides. Motion stirring heart and time. Resting ground, three threads where form is found. Through change and flow, the balance bends, returning to the source again. Oh, yeah. Weight that pulls the world to sleep. Fire that urges life to move. Gentle light that helps us see what remains and what improves. Clarity, motion, resting ground. Three threads where form is found. Through change and flow, the balance bends, returning to the source again. Flame, from striving into quiet grace. Each turn refines the inner field until the light can take its place. When all three settle into one, the path grows clear, the work is done.